Coming up in this episode of Life on Jupiter.
Princess wants to sing her songs.
They've got us singing for our supper. And once again we do battle with the mighty Screecher.
I'm Princess and I'm a lounge singer.
I'm Jamie and I fly aeroplanes. We decided to take a year off and go sailing. But thanks to COVID, now we spend our life on Jupiter.
Welcome aboard and join us on our circumnavigation. So guess what? This is a guitar of Jamie. Why are you sad?
Because I'm scared. Scared I'm gonna stuff it up.
This is your first time?
Yeah, wow. First time in about 35 years, yeah. So, Princess wants to sing her songs, and other people don't know how to play her songs, except me. So, I've got to share the stage and not screw up.
I'm so happy. We practiced a lot of times and days.
Played it till my fingers bled.
He memorized all the chords.
Try.
I'm proud of him.
It's alright?
I'll probably raise your mic a bit when you sing.
Shuku?
But,
Shuku? Sound check, check.
Practice.
That's it.
He keeps saying, if you got us to Scott to Martinique, it's like, yeah, but when we know he's on the way, because otherwise then...
I think they do also.
Hey, hi.
Alright, this time I would like to give you another song. We just learned this song today. Today.
We tried to.
We tried. Okay, this is for everybody. Hope you like it. You know how the time flies on you. Yesterday was the time of our lives. We were born and raised in a summer haze, bound by these cries about loneliness. I hate to know out of the blue, uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't find it. I hope you see my face. That you'll be reminded of that it's over. Sometimes it hurt instead. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I'll pay. I'll remember you said sometimes it lasts love, but sometimes it hurts. Sometimes it lasts love, but sometimes it you guys.
We have a mission. We're on our way up to Carriacou, which is, what we'd say, is about 36 miles. Bit of a blowy day and a little bit of a headwind now, and we don't have a headsal because it's being repaired. But we're going up to buy solar panels. Some guy, I think he's probably for his house. He's got extra ones left over, so good price, much better than you can buy here in a Chambering. And Jupiter will get 4 more solar panels. We're not sure exactly where we're going to put them yet, but it will more than double the power that we have now, so that'll be good. At the moment, even with sunny days, because we're using computers and TV and 2 refrigerators, we're using a lot of power. So at the moment we're running the engine maybe every 3rd day to charge the batteries. But we'll have nearly 1200 watts of solar power soon, and that should make a big improvement. Hopefully won't have to run the engine.
I couldn't help myself. I wanted to put up the Screecher and check out that repair job. Actually, I was pretty happy with it, but the wind just wasn't suitable. It was too shy and too strong. It was time to fill it away.
It's never a dull moment on Jupiter. We just put the Screecher up. The wind is good now, but since we got it wet, put it in the water that time in the Atlantic Ocean, the furler has been very grabby, and now the furling rope has come off the Screecher. So I'm going to put the harness on, hang on a halyard, go out on the end of the prodder to put the rope back in the furler while we're doing 8 knots in a lumpy sea. But should be okay. Let's do this then.
Careful, V. The whiskers takes a lot of,
Well, that didn't work. So our prodder's just too long. It would be it's very slippery because it's all wet, and it would be unnecessary risk of hurting myself. I'm a bit too old for this young man stuff to try and leap out there, and also a bit wary about the whisker stays because they have broken before. One was a shackle and one was actually a whisker stay broke, and it can suddenly let go and bang, and there's a lot of power in this sail. So I'd rather just keep on going because we're doing 9 knots, 8-9 knots in the right direction. And when we get up there, closer to where we want to go, we will have to drop it like a normal sail. We'll run downwind and then lower it and have to try and pull it in. And we just hope that the wind doesn't get any stronger than it is now. It's nearly 2 o'clock. I don't think the wind's going to get any stronger this afternoon. I've done everything. You just got to throw it off the winch, okay?
Okay.
And then jump on the sail.
Turning now.
Successfully dropped. Nothing broken, nothing lost,
Hopefully.
nothing injured. And gotta get that furler working right. I don't know why. Have a better look at it.
And we're in Carriacou.
This is Carriacou.
Carriacou.
Or if you're really strong, you carry a cow. Up there's Union Island, that's the Grenadines. We'll go there one day soon.
Yeah.
I don't want to do any more bowling. Really? Kind of like the last.
This is how we do sundowners.
You.
All right, Marcy.
We're tired of
After all the
sunsets.
shit we've been through, we want to get a divorce.